My phone returned to default theme now. Let's custom it. First, open Settings app, go to Backup and Restore Features. Mobile device, draw your pattern to enter. Uncheck all, only select System Launcher in the screen to backup. Tap Finish and exit to home screen. Next, open Miui File Manager and locate to the path. Set time modified. Select latest backup folder created. This file is original data of your system launcher. You can copy to another place to save it, to be able to return to the default system launcher. Next, return to main storage, download file in video description. This file is backup of system launcher. Include animated widgets. Press and hold file, more or copy to the path. Select latest backup folder, paste file into here. Replace it. Downloaded file already, replace original file. Return to backup and restore features. Restore tab. Select latest backup to restore. Pet widgets, super folder and animated widgets available now. Miui 15 animated widgets. Touch to change widget. Now custom wallpaper and icons pack. Open Theme app and find theme. In Global Theme app version. Default wallpaper on lock screen of theme. Widgets show when swipe to right. You can custom lock screen wallpaper. Open Theme app and go to Customize Theme. Lock style and choose Super Transparent Theme to custom. Enable Custom Wallpaper. Depth of field wallpaper to enable depth effect. Select wallpaper from gallery. You can find wallpaper in video description. After select wallpaper, return apply default lock style, then reapply theme to enable wallpaper. Wallpaper show on lock screen and depth effect. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.